called at Morrison's and I got these imperfectly tasty carrots, 1 kilogram bags, reduced from 30p to 12p. Yesterday at Tesco's I got some bread reduced to 27p, Warburton's Danish. Again at Morrison's I got these imperfectly tasty blueberries from £1.07 to 50p, and the organic 4 organic kiwi fruit 50p. Those were from Sainsbury's. Like I've said before, when you buy carrots reduced and they're in plastic, take them out of the plastic and dry them overnight on a wire rack before you put them in the fridge. If you leave them in the plastic, they'll start to rot, and they've got more of a shelf life if you just let them dry out first. So that's the fruit and veg I bought, and this is the meat that I got reduced. This is again at Morrison's. Look at this lovely British breast mince, turkey breast mince, reduced from 3.75 to 94p. Looks lovely as well. And these sausages, Morrison's the best, £1.20. I was umming and ahhing, and I actually went round to go look at the fruit and veg to see what they'd got reduced. And when I went back, I thought, if those sausages are still there, I'm going to get them at £1.20. And when I got there, she's reduced them again to 30p. So that was a definite. And when I look, it says there's 4. There's actually 1 underneath the label. So there's 5. Excellent. And I got this lovely pizza, reduced from £2.89 to 58p. Every week Lidl has special offers on various things, and last week the thing that I was interested in was the tuna, reduced from £1.35 on special at 65p. It's a variety I've not tried before, and when I looked at all the tins, they did have some in sunflower oil, but I like the one in brine. I rinse it and wash it off. But if you look at the dates on it is December 2022, and usually tuna has a bit more of a shelf life than that. Anyway, I bought 4 tins just to see what the quality was like, and I was quite impressed. And this is what's this weekend. Today is the 3rd, so this is the 4th to the 6th. So they do still have tuna, 55% off if you buy the case. But there's barista coffee, there's some wine, kitchen foil and a sticky toffee pudding. So I'll just show you the quality of this. I've got 1/3 of a tin left and I'm going to make a salad. The spinach I'm using is dated the 28th of January. Still perfectly alright. The Wild Rocket, 28th of January. And these tomatoes were actually the 5th of January. So we'll have a couple of those. Some of those carrots that I've just bought reduced. Look at this lovely tuna fish. I am quite impressed with this, because sometimes it just seems to be bits, but this is proper chunks. So if you see that on special offer, or even at £1, what was it, 35, Well worth it. And that's just a third of a tin that's left. I love raw onion with tuna fish. I'm going to pop a few of those blueberries on. I do like fruit on a salad. And I had a tin of peaches open, so we'll just cut a few peaches up. These are just the basic ones. Most supermarkets are doing them for about 31p a tin. And I also like cheese on a salad. A nice blue cheese. This is from Lidl. It wasn't on special offer. But you just need that little bit, especially if it's blue and strong tasting. So there we are. So I think that's salad's worked out at something like, what, 40p maximum.